We're here at 65 Siltstone Drive in Franklinton, North Carolina at the Stormskis, here to do a shingle repair video. I'm going to attempt to remove a damaged shingle and replace it with one. As you can see, the damage is pretty apparent. But here we go.
What tool are you using there, Taylor?
I am using the roofing snake that y'all require. These nails are so out of there you can barely see them.
Is it pulling through?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Damage on the shingle here right there too. Just trying to remove it. Top ones.
These nails are so hard to see.
Right there, right where your thumb is. All right.
I think that should be it.
Try it.
Missing one.
One there. Go up.
Right
Yeah,
here.
that one. Yeah.
Yeah, I see it. Alright. Yeah, look at that.
Slide it this way a little bit. Let's take a look. So just damage everywhere.
Got some hail right here. Hail up there.
I meant damage from the repair attempt. Just removing.
Nate, let's get the other shingle. It's on the back.
So hard creases, just him trying to remove all the nails from the top and bottom of the old shingle here. Just damage all across those shingles there now. Hard lines, granule loss. I mean, this is going to be unrepairable, just trying to remove that one.
So come here, Nate. This one is a tad bit longer.
Let's throw a tape on it. Right here. Okay. Put it on the other black one. Charcoal.
About an inch.
Yep. Got a gap over there on that side?
Yep, take a look at it.